Previously on Cooking with Sindaco.
This is Domoda, an amazing recipe from Gambia. We have man in the kitchen today, Mr. Sam, Chef Sam. A pot full of vegetables, full of hygienic, full of nutritious food, full of everything. Man, the aroma coming testify that Domoda was done by this amazing
chicken.
Hello brothers, sisters, you're Okolo. So I'm in Gambia, the smiling coast of Africa, and today's recipe is one popular delicious street food we have here in Gambia. It's called olele, and they use beans to prepare this amazing recipe with other ingredients. How do you see olele?
The olele.
I heard you bought some, but now you're buying 200.
Yeah.
You buy $200.
I bought $300.
You bought $300 of olele?
Yeah.
Man. So how is it? How is it?
And then I'm going to add.
You're going to add more to 300?
Yeah. It's delicious.
So you're going to eat everything alone?
Exactly. Only for me.
How for you?
I never tried something like this.
This is the first time?
Yeah.
It's true, because also when I first tried
and
it,
then it's spicy, not that too much.
Yeah. And when it's hot, it turns into your unique taste as well.
Exactly.
Wow.
So,
only $300.
Yes, maybe I'm coming in the evening time.
In the evening again.
Thank you.
So Sierra Leone and Nigeria has this recipe, but Nigeria called this Moin-moin, whilst Gambia and Sierra Leone call it olele or olele. So when I first saw this recipe at the Gambian trade fair, there was a long queue, people queuing to buy this amazing recipe. And one interesting thing is that the lady selling there is called Araba. She's a Gambian-born Ghanaian. Okay, she was born in Gambia, never been to Ghana before, but then she's called Araba, a typical Ghanaian name, and she's prepared this olele in Gambia. So I first tried it and it was really amazing, so delicious. So I said that, man, I need to come back again. So here I am with Sister Araba, and today I'm showing you how olele or Moin-moin is being prepared the Gambian way, okay, West African thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaco. Let's promote and showcase our food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. Or Kodo.
Salam alaikum.
Salam. Hello, how you doing?
Fine, thank you. Ben, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. So how are you doing now?
I'm doing olele.
Olele?
Yeah, I'm grinding it.
So what's olele?
Olele is called moi-moi in Nigeria.
Okay.
Well, I don't know in Ghana how they call olele.
So Ghana, we don't have olele.
We don't have olele in Ghana. No. Okay, in Nigeria they call it moi-moi.
Okay.
Yeah, moi-moi. In Gambia they said olele.
Olele, okay.
Yeah.
What's that? What is that?
This is beans.
Beans.
Beans,
That's normal beans.
Normal beans, yes.
Then you grind it.
And then I grind it.
Okay.
Yes.
And then so after grinding, what are you doing again today?
Now I'm grinding it again.
Oh really?
Yes.
It's not smooth.
Yes, it is smooth, yeah.
Wow. You have ice inside?
Yes.
Ice?
Because beans normally squares earlier, yeah.
Okay.
So when I do this,
you add ice?
Yeah, I put ice there to preserve it. Yeah.
Okay. Aside the trade fair, what do you sell?
In Banjul, the same thing.
You sell in Banjul?
Yeah, in
Banjul
the morning.
Capital.
In Banjul capital, Central.
Central Banjul?
Central, yeah. Yeah.
One funny thing that she's a typical Ghanaian, a half Ghanaian, half Gambian, but she has never visited Ghana before. Her name says everything. Look at this Araba, and she's got comfort terracing. Very funny, but she has never been to Ghana before. But do you understand local language?
All of?
No, tree, fancy.
No.
Our sister is lost. After 3 minutes of mixing and kneading, now everything is done. So I believe the process is about to start. The other day I saw it had vegetables and red oil, everything inside. So it's about to do that process now. So if you don't mix it like this, you can't do the...
It will be hard.
It will be hard.
Yeah.
Okay.
It will be hard.
Did you grind it yesterday or this morning?
This morning. Everything fresh.
Because of the heat, that's why.
Yeah, everything fresh. Everything fresh.
What kind of food do you sell?
I normally sell olele, akara, meat pie, sausage roll, fufu and soup.
Okay. Super kanja?
Yeah, super kanja. Yes. We make baobab juice, wonjo, dita juice, brochette. And then we make pancake.
Pancake?
Yes, pancake. which is a market, a trade from my grandmother. Yeah, we'll make pancake, and we'll make namburu. Yes, and grilled fish.
So what time do you start and what time do you close at Banjo?
At Banjo, I start by 2 and then I close by 7.
7 p.m.
During Ramadan.
During Ramadan, okay.
Apart from Ramadan, in the morning after Ramadan, I start by 8 and then close by 2.
Okay. So we are adding our chopped onion. Okay. Doing like that.
Garden egg.
Garden eggs, okay.
Yeah.
So you can do without also adding this. It's optional, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Palm oil goes in like that. Wow. Amazing. So does this oil come from
Freetown?
From Freetown, Sierra Leone. Okay. I hear they don't make palm oil.
No.
Okay. Wow. Over here in Gambia, they don't make palm oil over here. I think I need to start bringing palm oil to these people. I need to start bringing palm oil.
Yeah, from Ghana.
From Ghana. Yeah, authentic one.
And that would be wonderful.
Yeah. So they all come from Sierra Leone and Guinea. That's where the palm oil comes from. Over here too is the fish that she will use. She will steam and she will add it to the olele. Okay, so when we're eating it, it has the vegetable protein and the fish protein, all everything together. So we're about to steam our fish for the olele and go on fry like that. Amazing. So we're about to add in pound our pepper and add to it because it has to be a bit spicy. When it's hot, it's really spicy and hot, and that makes it more delicious. And when it's like that, it's you have the desire to eat more. Like it will eat more. Man, the aroma of the pepper. Wow. So make it rough like that.
Yeah.
Wow. So everything pounded like this in a rough state and goes in. It goes in like that.
After I'll put water.
So our fish is now ready. It's been on for like 15 minutes. So we have something like this. Okay. Look at how she's mixing everything together. The garden eggs, the onion, the pounded beans, palm oil, pepper, everything. Making sure that everything is being nicely mixed together. Once the fish is ready, they now take off the bones and everything. Okay, making sure that there's no bone inside the olele. So what she's doing, it's very hot. It's hot. So I've added some seasoning to it, cubes. That will give the taste. So will you add salt to it?
Yeah, already add salt.
Okay. The salt was added when she was kneading, pounding the beans. Water has been added. And mix everything together again. So she used falls to wrap it.
You can have leaf, banana leaf, but it's too
expensive.
Not expensive because they didn't sell it.
You didn't sell it,
but it is very hard work to do. You have to burn the leaf, and then wipe it
before. Okay.
And then now everything is easy. Easy job. Easy job.
Anyway, so we use this for to wrap it.
More easier than that.
So basically, this is how already mixed olele. So how long does it take to finish to get ready on fire?
No, just if I put the water on the fire, I want the water to boil. Okay. And I put in the next half an hour. It's
everything's
it's only the steaming that makes it to.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the fish is served separate or to mix together?
I'm going to mix it here.
I want to mix it together. Okay. Wow. Amazing. Olele in the building, yo. We have our fish like this over here, and now about to go inside the olele or Moin-moin. So when this thing steams, you have the fish or the protein inside. Basically, the beans itself is protein by its own, and adding this gives it extra. Okay, so if a vegan or vegetarian and want to try this, you can ignore the fish and just do the beans.
Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing. So this is double pack, double protein. Protein from the plant and from the sea. Wow. So after everything been mixed, this is how we wrap and we package the olele to be steamed. Okay, so you have the foil, the spoon goes on top like that, and then it comes in here. This will be used to sieve it. So basically this will be placed on hot water, so the vapor will pass through here and steam the olele inside the foil. Okay, so until everything done like this, and I'm going to boil it. Wow, this hard work. So if you know how olele is done, or if you've tasted how olele, this is the process in which they prepare olele. Very delicious snack, and in the afternoon, this is what they eat over here in Gambia. It's from Nigerians also call it Moin-moin. So how much is this one?
One for 20.
$20.
Yeah, $20.
So $20 is 3 cedis in Ghana, and also 0.30 cents dollar. Okay, so 3 cedis. You get one of these. So we have our boiling water, as you can see. Okay, now you're about to place the sieve with olele on top. So as it's come like that, it goes on top like that. Okay. So she's going to seal here so that the vapor doesn't come out. As you can see, the vapor is coming out. So when it seals, everything will penetrate inside the hole and steam the whole.
Yeah, put oil, yes.
On top over here.
But making a plenty.
30 minutes, this will get ready, and our amazing olele will come out nicely. So the thing that we wrapped earlier on, after steaming, we have something like this, and as you can see, the onion, the fish inside. It's really hot, and hello, and man, it is what it is. Look at that. See the fish, you see the pepper, and everything being seen inside. Man, for Shizam and Nizza, we have something like this, cooking with Sindaco. This is olele inside Gambia, and it's prepared by Aunt Araba or Sister Araba.
Another one did it. Two did it.
Oh, I'm hand.
Two did it.
Wow. Man, this is delicious. It's so delicious, man. You have no idea about it. You see the garden eggs, as I showed you, the fish. A bit spicy, and it's hot as well. So it makes the combination amazing. You love olele? Yeah. A lot. Man, this is perfect. This is so delicious. Hope you saw the queue. People are buying already. Buying $300 of olele. Man.
I bought $300.
You bought $300 of olele?
Yeah.
Man. So how is it? How is it?
And then I'm going to add.
You're going to add more to 300?
Yeah. It's delicious.
So you're going to eat everything alone?
Exactly. Only for me.
Man, she has the best olele in Gambia, I can testify.
No.
You know?
I know.
She has it, right?
I shall be.
So do you buy from her always?
Always.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Olele.
Yeah.
Aunt Araba. Man, so amazing testimony from here, and man, this testify that this woman is amazing, doing amazing work over here. She sells amazing olele in Gambia. Man, you need to try it. You need to try her olele in Gambia. Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. You've seen how olele is done in Gambia. Man, try your olele. Try call her and get your amazing olele. And if you're not in Gambia and you want to try this, just watch the video, watch the steps, and prepare your own olele at home. Man, very delicious. Nigerians call it Moin-moin, and I mean you love it. So for Shizam and Nizza, Gambia Diaries, let's meet again. Cooking with Sindaco. I'm out.